Aarti, I'm going to start your essay, IELTS Writing Task 2. You said me yesterday that, ma'am, I have problem in this essay related to ideas also. First of all, the statement is what? Some people claim that genetically modified food can be dangerous. Okay, this is the negative word that you have in front of you, while others feel that it may bring enormous benefits. So this is the positive side, right?
Yes.
To the world, discuss both the views and give your opinion. कुछ लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं कि जो genetically modified food है वो dangerous होता है, means negative side. और कुछ लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं कि genetically modified food के बहुत सारे फायदे होते हैं. See, what do they need from you people? Benefits and harms of what genetically modified food. First of all, if you want to get 7 bands in your IELTS writing task 2, start using modal. Modal auxiliaries means you can use can, could, may, might, and should. Secondly, be soft in your essay writing. Don't be very harsh. Okay. Then you analyze the statement. How to analyze the statement? The whole statement is moving around one word only, and that is genetically modified food. So your total essay, the whole essay would be based on genetically modified food, its benefits and harms. Okay, so I have analyzed what are the benefits and harms of genetically modified food. In your pen and paper based exam, you encircle the keywords, or in computer based exam, you just highlight the keywords, so that कि जब आप ऐसे लिखते हो, whenever you go to write an essay, any of the keyword you may not skip. Now, after analyzing the statement, make your notes on question paper. Like this is the essay on benefits and harms. So advantages means genetically modified food has one advantage, malnutrition, and the second benefit is lack of food. Now disadvantages, with the consumption of genetically modified food, so many diseases people can have, and the second, it can be economic burden on the government. Now see, Aarti, how to start introduction? Very carefully. You people always get confused like how to start your essay. In any of the essay, opening statement is must. In introduction, for example, see this yellow highlighted, you can use in any of the essay. ये जो मैंने येलो हाईलाइट किया है ना, ये आप किसी भी essay में यूज कर सकते हो. In the light of technological development, the essay is based on technological development. That's why in the light of technological development. Okay, in the light of spread of education, in the light of globalization, depends on the statement. Okay, now rest. The main idea was what? Genetically modified food. What I wrote? In the light of technological development, genetically modified foods have gained prevalence, have gained significance, have gained importance. Anything you can write down. So here I use the vocabulary prevalence, right, for getting my bands. Now second, so first sentence of introduction is always opening statement. Second sentence is paraphrase the statement. It's necessary. What was the statement? Let me go to the statement back. Some people claim that genetically modified foods can be dangerous, while others say that it has so many benefits. So how did I paraphrase? See, बहुत सारे लोगों को paraphrase नहीं करना आता है. So उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप paraphrase नहीं कर सकते. You can use synonyms. Some people believe that genetically modified food is an agricultural innovation and entails some benefits. So getting me?
Yes.
Here I use the word entails, means produce some benefits or requires or have some benefits. Okay, produce some benefits or have some benefits. So, and while others think that this kind of food can be highly, so here I use the word highly, harmful to the world. In this manner, you can paraphrase the statement. It's necessary. Second sentence of introduction. Now the third sentence of introduction, I have highlighted in any kind of both sides of essay, you can use this sentence. This essay will discuss both the sides using relevant examples to support the arguments. This sentence is saying that what I'm going to write down in the body 1 and body 2. Right? Now start. Do you understand the introduction, Aarti?
Yes.
How to start introduction? First
Yes.
sentence, second sentence, and third sentence.
Okay.
So approximately 30 or 35 words you need to finish your finish the introduction of essay. Now, beta, body. Obviously, this is the essay on advantages and disadvantages, benefits and harms. So obviously, 2 paragraphs of body, right?
Yeah.
Body 1. Body 1, as you said me previously also, that ma'am, how to start body 1. In any kind of essay, starting body part, first sentence must be topic sentence. Right? So the topic sentence here is what? Highlighted one, you can use as it is. On one side, many proponents. Proponents is the vocabulary that I have used, means supporters of the genetic. See, of के बाद आप वो word use कीजिए जिसके benefits बता रहे हो.
Okay.
After of, you use the word those you are going to describe the benefits. Content that. Content means say. Believe. Right? Genetically modified food is advantageous for solving a lot of problems relating to food. So this is the topic sentence.
Yes.
So any essay you use the topic sentence. Okay. Now second. Now you have only 2 reasons. Reason 1. You start from here after using the topic sentence. Primarily the fundamental benefit is that in any essay you can start reason 1 for describing advantages is that genetically foods can help to find sustainable ways. So here I have used the word sustainable vocabulary. Sustainable means continuous. Okay? Continuous ways to feed people as a solution against the food shortage. Now you just elaborate that reason number 1. How? See, your reason number 1 was what? Related to food shortage. Right? Due to rapidly increasing population, it became difficult before. See, it became difficult to feed it means population, increasing population sufficiently before the development of genetic engineering. Right? कि जब तक जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग नहीं आई थी तब तक जब पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रही थी तो फूड भी महंगा होता था, तो जो इंक्रीजिंग पॉपुलेशन को फूड सप्लाई करना इट वाज बिग इश्यू, इट वाज बिग प्रॉब्लम फॉर द गवर्नमेंट्स, राइट? बट नाउ as it shows dramatically increased yields. Do you know the meaning of yields? Production. तो अभी क्या है, ड्रामेटिकली प्रोडक्शन बढ़ गया है. सो जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाइड फूड्स आर एवरीवेयर. प्रोडक्शन बढ़ गया तो फूड्स आर एवरीवेयर. That also leads to, say here again I'm using vocabulary, leads to decrease in food prices. So population को कैसे उसका प्रॉफिट हुआ जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाइड फूड का, कि ज्यादा लोगों को खाना मिलना शुरू हो गया, the production has been increased, so that's why the prices of food are also low. So first sentence topic body 1, second reason 1, and third explanation of reason 1. Understand? And now similarly if you have reason 2 also, reason 2 again, see another benefit that, अब that के बाद आपको क्या लिखना है, जिसका बेनिफिट बता रहे हो. जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाइड टेक्नोलॉजी इज बिलीव्ड टू ब्रिंग अबाउट इज दैट. अब बेनिफिट बता दो उसके बाद, दैट के बाद सम जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाइड फूड्स आर मोर न्यूट्रिशियस. माल न्यूट्रिशन वाला, पहले शॉर्टेज ऑफ फूड वाला बेनिफिट लिखा मैंने, अभी माल न्यूट्रिशन वाला. आर मोर न्यूट्रिशियस इन टर्म्स ऑफ विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल कंटेंट. सो ये मेरा रीजन था, राइट? एंड उसके बाद आई एक्सप्लेन दैट रीजन. दिस हेल्प्स पीपल टू फाइट अगेंस्ट माल न्यूट्रिशन. डाउट?
No.
Okay. Similarly, go for body 2. Now in body 2, I'm going to say drawbacks or disadvantages of genetically modified food. Now topic sentence. How to start body 2? Even though there are many benefits, you can start every time like this also. Off. There are also potential drawbacks that are obvious or those are obvious. Any doubt?
No.
Right? So in this manner, you can start body 2 of advantages, disadvantages essay or both sides essay. Reason 1, the main is associated with safety issues.
Yes.
Right? Elaboration of uska safety issues, kaun se safety issues? Owing to this vocab, consumption of genetically altered. Now here the synonym I have used, modified, altered food. Allergies and certain types of cancers have been a growing problem in unpredictable way. Because of these reasons, it is unwise to depend too much on them. Actually, next elaboration, जैसा ही immediately जो दिमाग में आया, we will write down. But the sentence should be means coherence. Just take care of coherence, cohesion, and your grammar. Any doubt?
Oh. No.
Now, reason 2. Disadvantages reason 2. Another harm worth mentioning is that. Right? Second reason starting. Now, किसका harm है? Genetically foods processing is time consuming and requires exorbitant. So you know the meaning of exorbitant? Do you know the meaning of exorbitant? No. Exorbitant means too much. बहुत ज़्यादा. Exorbitant expenditure that appears to put a heavy economic burden on the society. Now here the body 2 is finished. Now let's go to the conclusion. How to start conclusion and how to finish conclusion. Both the paragraphs ideas you need to use in your conclusion. In conclusion, genetically modified foods can certainly solve. See, I have used the word certainly. Solve the problem of scarcity of food for rapidly increasing population to high extent. I have used the word to high extent. This is also wonderful for getting bands, more bands, but still. So first benefit and second, but still I believe that more studies are needed to prove its safety. The second disadvantages point, right? First point advantages and the second disadvantages, starting and ending. Hence, despite of abundant benefits, so here I have used the vocabulary abundant. Benefits of genetically modified foods, the adverse impacts are also unavoidable. Gonna get 7+ bands in any of the essay. First of all, take care of coherence and cohesion, right? And secondly, you take care of grammar also. Fine. And next, vocab. Okay. And of course, if you're able to make complex sentences, then make. If you're unable to make complex sentences, then please, I suggest you don't make it. Right? Use simple sentences, then also you can get the bands. Just these 3 things are very, very important. Yeah, for 8 bands, 9 bands, complex sentences are important, but if you can. Any doubt, Aarti?
No.